Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And also press the bell icon for more videos and new ideas. Here are some sliding door design ideas. Designs for interior sliding doors, clever, stylish and right on trend. Clean, effortless and right at home with many interior design styles. The sliding door is a beautiful way to separate spaces in your home without a traditional doorway. With modern sliding door design, you can save room for layout and furniture or create more privacy when needed. Sliding doors offers an array of benefits for storage option too. They give you both style and function. If you want to add sliding doors to your home, we have gathered clever and stylish interior sliding doors that you will love. A traditional pocket doors is a good option if you want it to match the aesthetic of the rest of your home. Clean and chic cheese doors options. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. These doors open and close spaces with ease, making more use of all of the areas in your home. Need a bonus? This sidestep any issues with awkward things and door swings. Arched interior doors are a trend we see more of from bedrooms to living room. These sliding doors. By adding sliding doors to your studio, apartment or loft, you can create a scheduled sleeping area. These moving room divider are sophisticated and subtle, providing the benefits of an accent wall and privacy. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.